New at 6, a Harlingen woman's lawsuit against State Senator Carlos Uresti of San Antonio will have to wait until after the legislative session. CBS 4's Priscilla Estrada explains.
Attorneys for Denise Cantu and Senator Carlos Uresti were in court Monday for a hearing in the lawsuit. Cantu says she invested $900,000 in a company called Four Winds Logistics and later discovered that Uresti and other people connected to the company didn't tell her the whole story.
She trusted the people and invested $900,000. Shortly thereafter, these people cashed out the money and divided it amongst themselves.
According to bankruptcy court documents, Uresti owned 1% of the company and received a $27,000 commission on Cantu's money, information Cantu's attorney says was never disclosed to her. The other portions of the company were owned by Stan Bates and Shannon Smith. Smith is one of the 3 employees that federal indictments show were charged with conspiracy to commit wire fraud, a point Cantu's attorney brought up during the hearing.
3 of them have already pled guilty. Once they are criminally charged, they are never going to answer my questions.
Which is why Cantu's attorney argued that a legislative continuance filed by Uresti's attorneys not be granted. However, Judge Rose Guerra-Reina granted the request.
We need to interact with Senator Uresti and with our client in order for us to intelligently participate. And unfortunately, Senator Uresti is smack in the middle of the legislative session.
While Uresti's attorneys declined to comment, Cantu's attorney expressed their disappointment.
I was trying to ask the court to make an exception because of my client's dire needs, and the case law do allow for exceptions. The court found that this particular case does not rise up to the level of irreparable harm.
As part of the investigation on February 16th, the FBI and IRS raided Uresti's San Antonio law office. At that time, Uresti released this statement. Today, FBI agents are in my office, reviewing our documents as part of their broad investigation of the Four Winds matter. I have instructed my staff to fully cooperate with the federal investigators. I will help them in whatever way I can. For now, gathering evidence and all other motions are on hold until Senator Uresti concludes the legislative session. In Hidalgo County, Priscilla Estrada, CBS 4 News and ValleyCentral.com.
And the case is now on hold until August 25th, when the court will file a written motion requesting a change of venue from the Hidalgo County Courthouse to San Antonio.